Car safety is in our hands, and how we initiate the next generation into looking at and addressing safety. I have always made sure my son travels in the car seat right from when he was an infant. From when they're newborns till about 3 years of age, depending on height and weight, children should be in a rear-facing car seat. Thereafter, they should move to a forward-facing car seat till the age of about 5. And then graduate to a booster seat till the age of 10, again depending on height and weight. Children should never travel in the front seat in your lap. The XUV 300 has ISOFIX child seat mounts that provide a rigid base which decreases lateral and forward movement. The 300 also has 6 airbags, ABS and EBD, as well as a global NCAP 5-star rating for adult safety. Car seats are critical in ensuring the safety of our children, and it's not something we can leave for them to decide. The children, that is.